Welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini at Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Thought I'd show you two of our beautiful bikes that's in our collection. It's a Benelli 252C 1977, a very rare bike, fully restored and just absolutely beautiful. Very rare bike, two-stroke. So just something different to the usual RD 250 by Yamaha or the GT 250 by Suzuki. Incredibly fast, very light and nimble, beautiful to ride with a lovely sound. Great bike in its day and still is a beautiful bike to ride now. And over here we have my very desirable, cherished 750 which is 6-cylinder. The "sei" means 6 in Italian, for those that don't know. It's a 1976, been fully restored. Absolutely awesome bit of kit. I've just been out on a ride with it and it sounds beautiful. I'll let you hear it in a minute. These bikes are just so rare and well worth keeping now. This one we've restored completely. We've done all the chrome work, all the paint work, and it really is beautiful in every way. It's got a fantastic set of Busso exhaust pipes from Torino, which sounds lovely. These are well made bikes. I'll show you underneath. It's all really nice with the original toolkit. Batteries underneath that compartment. And there we go. This one benefits from having an awful lot of polishing done instead of the usual black headstock. Most of it's been highly polished, as you can see. It's a matching numbers motorcycle as well. As you can see, all the aluminium's been done, which makes it very desirable. I'll fire it up to let you hear it. It's warm, so it should go straight away. I can't do that. I remember I've just disconnected the battery because I was going to put it away for winter. Maybe next time. There is another Benelli 750 on my channel, so you can hear that. It is the same bike as well. And there we go. Two beautiful Benelli motorcycles from the 70s. If you like this, please subscribe and save me as a favourite seller. Cheers.